Hi guys. First of all, thank you for joining this boot camp. And I'm sure, from your feedbacks, I feel good that you are actively learning, you're getting value every day. I take feedback. That is how we keep growing. Me as a trainer also keep growing from your feedback. So we have just finished fourth day. There are more than 460 people who have participated in the boot camp. They are in the Facebook group, Telegram group, and they are learning. Many of them are directly coming to the Zoom also. Now I also wanted to tell you that you have a chance to win some booty, some money, some courses, some membership at the end of this 7 days boot camp. And the Black Friday deal is open for you. So let me quickly explain how to get benefited from this. First of all, you have to open the same link through which you signed up. It's the Black Friday link. So I'll share the link in this below the video so that you can use that. So once you sign up, actually, let's say I sign up with my number. So I sign up here. And what happens is it's asking me to verify. Okay. After that, what happens? It shows me the confirmation page. Okay. So you are on the VIP waiting list for the Black Friday stuff. Now what I should do, I should join the Telegram group if I'm not there. I should also join the Facebook group if I'm not there. Now I should get points here by doing this activity. If I share this on Facebook, I'll get 5 points. If I share this on Twitter, I'll get 5 points. Okay. If I share this on WhatsApp, I'll get more points. If I go to the YouTube channel and subscribe, I'll get 10 points. Also, these are the leaderboards. People would show that who are the leaders. This is my own thing. I'll not be eligible for the award because I'm running the award, but these are the leaders who are leading, and they will get rewards based on how many points they have got. So you can get points by sharing. That is the beautiful thing. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click on that and share on that. Okay. You can share it on email, share it on Messenger. So if yes, for example, you want to share it on WhatsApp, you click on WhatsApp. WhatsApp web will open and you can share it on that. Now, what is the reward point? Let me take you through that. So sharing is very simple. Go to the offer or the Black Friday page. If you have already signed up, it will show you the thank you page or the sharing page. If you have logged out or something, it will ask you to sign up using the same email ID. It will show you your points. Once you get your points, what is there for you to win? Let me show you the same. What you can win from this. This is interesting, guys. Let me share the same to you. So once you get points, everybody will get some rewards, but what you can actually win, the person with the first rank will win a live workshop, 21 days workshop of worth 23,999 rupees. This is not a fake value created kind of thing. The smaller version of the workshop I used to sell at 4,999, sorry. And this is that was just about lead funnels. Now this is about the Facebook full funnel marketing live workshop worth 23,999. It will have lots of templates and all this stuff. I'll share it on the Black Friday day. You get 100% discount whoever ranks first. Also, only during the Black Friday, that is from 26th to 30th till Cyber Monday, if you qualify and take action, you will get a annual membership worth 14,400 rupees free. So the rank 1 holder can actually win 38,399 rupees worth training and membership. And it will be, he will be or she will be from this participants only, not somebody else. Also, rank 2 to rank 6 will get a massive 75% discount on the workshop. And if they enroll, they will also get the bonus of 14,400. So they can win 32,399 worth training and membership. Rank 11 to 20, sorry, rank 7 to 20, rank 2 to 6 will get 75%, rank 7 to rank 17, 10 people will get discounts were 26,399 discount on goodies. So they'll get a 50% discount plus a bonus of 14,400. Not only that, in case you are not able to get that many points, if you are in any rank, remember this, you are in any rank, you are eligible for a 25% minimum 25% discount. And if you take action before the Cyber Monday ends, you will also get this bonus of 14,400, guys. Now these are not just fake courses or idea kind of stuff created for you to get to your attraction. These are live activities that is happening here. Profit Funnel alumni group is 240 people strong. You can go and check their testimonials in the page. So these are real valuable uh, content training you will get to better your life, to make profitable funnel. So this is my invitation, guys. You are already participating in the Facebook group, you are attending the Zoom, you are learning for yourself. Now share, make it reach to the more and more people, and collect points. The more points you collect, the better discount you get, also better value you get. Okay, so there are 17 people who can win. It's not just 1, 2 or 3 people. 17 people can win up to 50% and above. So this is a great opportunity for you to learn and earn. Okay, money saving is money earning, right? So my advice, and sorry, my submission to you, who am I to advise you? My request and my submission to you is, do share. If you like what you saw in the 7-day boot camp, the content which is going to come in the workshop, the content which is going to come in the membership platform is going to be much better and valuable. You have already got a hint of that. So do share, get more points, win rewards, and also keep learning. Thank you and love you.